We're heading over to see if my F95 is gonna go ahead and pass inspection, and we're gonna give you guys a nice little POV drive on the way there so you guys can hear this beast. For those who do not know, this is a twin turbo 4.4 liter V8. It sounds amazing. I have full catless downpipes, front mount intakes, which you guys can see in the grill right now, and I do have a full titanium valved exhaust system from KB Tuning. Everything that I have on this car is from KB Tuning. With having catless downpipes and having all the tin, you guys are probably wondering, how am I going to pass inspection? I do have a tin exemption, so I don't have to worry about the tints being illegal, and I have no check engine light, as you guys can see on the dash, because I have something called O2 foulers that are on the downpipes that basically trick the car into thinking that it has cats. We're gonna go ahead over now, but let's show you guys a quick technique to make of how I make the POV drives way better. We're gonna go ahead and put the back seats down. We gotta pull these things right here, close the trunk. You can hear how the car sounds. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because this is not the end. We still have so much more videos that we have to do, more mods on the car. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in sport once we get on this road right here. But I want to show you guys, there's one sound that it only makes in comfort. I don't know why. I guess it's because the transmission's not trying to shift higher, this and that, so it's like kind of keep the RPMs low. But if I'm doing what I'm doing right now, that's why the reason why this sound happened. But let me show you guys. I'm gonna let it build up some boost, and watch this. One more shift, and then I'm gonna do it. That's the sound I'm talking about, because it builds up the boost in the turbos, and then I don't know what happens after that. That's the sound I'm talking about. But it only does that in comfort. If I try to do that in sport or sport plus, it doesn't do it, because it's like a more aggressive shifting and transmission setting. So, but if I'm wrong, you guys can correct me in the comments down below. My M1 is set to everything being to sport, right? Traction's still on and everything. It's just in sport. And then we're gonna put it to manual mode as well. And let's go back to our sport display. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see me make a video of how to use the paddle shifters, what these settings mean for the 3 bars, and how to use it, how to put it into manual mode, how to use the paddle shifters and all that. See, it does a little bit of what I told you guys earlier, but it's still not as much as when it is in comfort. But it still sounds really good, and I'm sure you guys agree in the comments down below. Let's open up the windows for some pops. Oh my God. Holy shit. One thing I do want to say is the camera is probably not doing it justice of how it sounds. Yeah, with the seats down, it's so much better, guys. Yo guys, am I making a good this is exactly how the car sounds. Ready? The same shit, yo, tell me not. Alright guys, we're about to get on the highway right now. Oh shit, looks like there's some traffic. Alright, now I'm gonna stop the yap. Just enjoy the car, guys. Enjoy. know it's time to stop yapping, but the car just sounds too good with the seats down, man. It's insane. Now there's no traffic, or not much really. Is this guy braking, or is this, did he plug it into the wrong light? Holy shit, it sounds so good. Oh my god! I had to switch to the iPhone because the GoPro's in the car, but they're doing an inspection right now, getting all the mileage. A moment or two's about to come in a couple minutes. We're gonna find out if it passes or what's gonna happen. And we passed, so that's what you guys wanted to see in this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the POV style video we did today. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out. Love you all.